introduced to this, I think maybe in middle school, maybe in 6th grade. You had it again in what, 7th grade? Wait. We're going to go through it. We're going to go through it. That's why we're going through it, because most of you did not get it right. Okay, thank you. Let's give you a hand. All right. All right. Listen up. Wait a minute. I need everybody to listen. Because most of you got this right. I don't know whether you did it on your paper or not, or you just guessed. You will see this the rest of your years in high school, and you need to understand combining like terms, adding and subtracting, and working with polynomials. It is very important. And I see a lot of times, a lot of you get confused when we have a minus sign in front of parentheses. So we're going to talk about that right now. Thank you, Yunette. Because there are many different ways to do this. A lot of you do it a lot of different ways. But let's talk about maybe an easy way. This is just one method. Some of you may have learned other ways that might be easier for you, and that's okay. Remember, in math, people do things different ways because we all think differently and we see things differently. Now, okay, this is what we're going to do here. Let's make sure we did it right. Okay, whenever you have a negative or a minus sign in front of parentheses, there are several ways you can do it, but this is the easiest way for me to do it, okay? It means opposite, finding the opposite of whatever is on the inside. Finding the opposite. So, and once you find the opposite, you have to remove the parentheses. You remove the parentheses. So, if we first write 9p minus 15, because is the negative in front of this set of parentheses? Is the negative, do we have anything in front of the first set of parentheses? No. No, we do not, so we just bring that down and remove the parentheses. 9p minus 15. Now, we have the negative in front of the second parentheses, set of parentheses. If we remove the parentheses, we're going to change the sign of every term in here. Make it the opposite sign. No, let me get there. So we remove this first. This is going to be, what type of 2 is this? What type of 2 is this? Positive. So now we're making what? Negative. That's the opposite. So we make it negative. What is the sign for the 3? Positive. So we need to do what? Make it negative. Make it negative. Make that negative. Now we can combine by terms. So she wrote with the 9p minus the 2p. Okay? 9p minus 2p. And we have a negative 15. And this